Hello and welcome to Integrator Dima channel, and now we are learning two most popular languages in development like JavaScript and Python. Even we are not planning to write all the code and AI assistants can do it for us. We want to understand the basics. That's why in this video we will try to interact with the user, take some simple input and show output. So also, one comment about the previous video: you are right, class is not a data type. So just wanted to show that classes exist in both languages. So let's jump in. So I'm using Visual Studio Code and JavaScript file. Let's try with a simple code snippet. So for example, alert, what's your name and age. So then const prompt const name is equal to prompt. So you see the syntax helped me to define this function. Age, then name, then do the same for age. Now age will be a string, so we need to age number is equal to number from age. Now we can compare, like if age is equal or more than 18, we want to, let's say, alert, and we use a string template because we want to insert variables. Hey, and here we use name, you are adult, and else we use the same, you are not an adult. Okay, so yeah, it says name is deprecated. Okay, user name, let's use it like this. Now it should be fine, but the problem is that it will not work here in Node. So for example, we will execute Node.js and we see that alert is not defined. It's because we are trying to execute this JavaScript in Node environment, and if we will jump, let's say, to browser and open console, clear everything here and try to see what's your name and age. Okay, name Dima and age, like let's say it's 34. Hey Dima, you are adult. So, and yeah, this works. If we want to make it work somehow in Node, we can go to Node.js documentation and find this readline, so like a module, and try to use this code. So let's replace this one. So we use node readline, std in, std out. From the process, we just take it from documentation, readline, create interface. What do you think about like the node? We can like ask like what is your age. Let's do just a simple okay, and your age is, and the answer. Now we clear everything here and execute it. What's your age? Let's say 34, and we see the response, your age is 34. So yeah, this is basically it. Even if you're using like ChatGPT, you need to specify where you are planning to use your code. And now let's jump to the Python. So in Python we will do something like print. Let's try what is your age and name. Okay, so it's clear. I executed it by mistake. Sorry, closed. Name, input, your name, age, input your age. We don't use semicolon, we just hit enter. Also we need to convert age to number, age, integer age. So you see, as a JS developer, I always add this semicolon, which is not correct. Now if age is more or equal than 18, again go to the new line, use type, and I forgot the 2 dots. So now I'm going to the new line and hit tab, print, and we need to use like a formatted string. So we need this f, and then what we want to add, like a string, like hello, and this should be out of the string hello, name, you are adult or an adult, and else. I need to go to the new line, yeah, else. So something like this should work. Now I run it, so it asks me your age and name. So name Dima, age 34. Hello Dima, you are an adult. But you see we have this extra symbol. As a JS developer, I forgot to use it. So let's try it again. Clicking, yeah. And Dima, age 34. Yeah, hello Dima, you are an adult. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.